Welcome to Get Clicked SEO. My name is Adriana from AdDoLab and I'm your resident SEO expert. I'm so happy to tell you what our app can do for you. So as a fellow entrepreneur, I understand how difficult it is to grow your company from nothing. Our app helps to drive additional traffic to your store. And this is organic traffic, which is unpaid. You're not paying for advertisements. It's people searching on Google and then finding your store and going directly to your store. This is gold. You definitely need to get on SEO. And so our app is designed to improve your SEO with tools, guides, and video tutorials. We are the only SEO app on the Shopify store that is here to actually teach you and help you learn along the way. And we're always here to help, so you can always just send me an email and I promise to reply. We really care about our customers. We have over 3,000 customers and we're growing every day, and we want to help you with your SEO journey every step of the way. And if you ever get stuck along the way throughout our app, you'll see videos such as this one with me helping you through each and every feature, explaining exactly what things are and how they work so that you can know what to do. No other app on Shopify does this, and we want to be different. We really care, and we wanted to make a Shopify SEO app that really teaches customers how to do SEO so that they don't just install an app and then uninstall it, but they install an app and then use it and grow their store and actually see a benefit by seeing traffic coming to their store through Google. And this is the real difference with us. We also don't try to upsell you with a package. So we do scan for issues, but we give you the tools to solve these problems on your own. Other SEO apps will try and upsell you on a package where they say, oh, you don't know how to do that. Okay, well just let us do it for $300. Okay, we don't do that. So we hope that you install our app today, and we are really excited for you to get clicked.